day, ma'am. This is Apronio Junior Blasa Cabal, Section A. This is my video presentation in Chemistry, Lesson 6. Now, question number 1. What are the classification of matter? Distinguish and describe its classification. Answer. The classification of matter are three, which is pure substance, mixture, and compound. Now, pure substance, a substance that has fixed chemical composition throughout, is called pure substance, and it is composed of two, which is elements and compound. Second is mixture, composed of two, which is homogeneous and heterogeneous. Mixture is made when two or more substances are combined, but they are not combined chemically. And last, compound. Compounds are pure substances that are composed of two or more different elements joined by chemical bonds. Question number 2. What is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures? Answer. The difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous is homogeneous, a mixture of substances blended so thoroughly that you cannot see individual substances. Homo means the same throughout. Homogeneous mixtures are also called solution. It has a uniform appearance, looks the same throughout, and uniform composition, made of the same types of particles. While heterogeneous, a mixture that does not blend smoothly throughout and in which the individual substances remain distinct. Hetero means different. Its composition is not uniform. In this kind of mixture, you can distinguish all the components. Question number 3. Demonstrate 3 sample homogeneous mixture and discuss your observation.
My first example and homogeneous is the coffee with water. I poured first the water into the glass, the next the coffee. It is the homogeneous because when we mix the two elements become one. So it is the example of homogeneous. This is my second example of homogeneous. 24/7 and then the water. Then it is the same from the first example. It is one color when I finish my mixing. So it is a homogeneous. My last example in homogeneous is salt with water. I put 1 teaspoon of a salt in the glass. Then I mix into water. Then I mix it until it dissolves. Then when I see it is a homogeneous because it is one color that I see, that with the water only, and it is the example of homogeneous.
Question number 4. Demonstrate 3 sample heterogeneous mixture and discuss your observation.
My first example in heterogeneous is the oil and the soy sauce silver swan. Then I mix into a glass. Then after that, it is an heterogeneous because we see the differentiate of the two elements that we mix inside the glass. So it is the example of heterogeneous. This is my second example of heterogeneous, water and the oil. I mix into a glass, then it is the heterogeneous because the first element is in the upper and the second element is in the lower. So this is the perfect example of heterogeneous. We see the differentiate of the two elements. My last example in heterogeneous is the sun and the water. I put the water, then it is the heterogeneous because we see the two elements that we mix inside the glass. We see the difference of the two elements. So, which is the water in the upper and the sun in the lower. So it is the perfect example of heterogeneous. That's all, ma'am. Thank you and good day. God bless you always.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light.